In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Fonts to docs and slides and choose your favorite Google fonts. If you want to make your documents or presentations look more polished, creative, or on brand, changing the font is one of the easiest ways to do it. Google Docs and Google Slides already include a selection of fonts by default, but there are many more available that you can add in just a few clicks. To get started, open your Google Docs file or your Google Slides presentation. Once you're inside the file, look up at the toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll see the font name area there, which is the font drop-down menu. This is where you normally switch from one font to another. Go ahead and click that font drop-down menu. A list of available fonts will appear. From there, look for the option labeled More Fonts and select it. This opens a larger font window where you can browse and search through additional font options that aren't currently showing in your regular list. Inside that window, use the search bar to type the name of a font you like, or simply browse through the available choices to discover new ones. This is especially helpful if you already have a few favorite Google fonts in mind and want quick access to them inside docs or slides. When you find a font you want to use, select it so it gets added to your font list. You can choose more than one font here, which is useful if you like having a few options for headings, body text, or design accents. Take a moment to pick the ones you'll actually use often so your font menu stays organized and easy to navigate. After selecting your fonts, click OK to confirm. As soon as you do that, those fonts will be added instantly to your font drop-down list. That means the next time you open the menu, you'll see your selected fonts right there, ready to use anywhere in your document or presentation. From this point, you can highlight text and apply your new font just like any other standard font. This works great for customizing titles, improving readability, or giving your slides a more distinctive visual style. And that's it. Once you know where the More Fonts option is, adding your favorite Google fonts becomes quick and easy. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how your docs and slides look and feel.